Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is magnumcyclonex, and today we have a very special unboxing video. The TRF-Racer Junior Black Special has arrived, and today we're going to show you what's inside the box and how is it different from the original TRF-Racer Junior that came way back in the early 2000s. So let's go ahead and take a look at the boxes to see what the differences are and show you what's inside. So the first one, the TRF-Racer Junior, this was one of the early MS chassis cars. It came with the very small diameter wheels that previous VS chassis cars used. And this was back at the time when box art was a thing. So as you can see, it's a white body with blue and pink stickers and white wheels. Came with a double shaft motor. Here on the side of the box, if you can see this, it outlines what the MS chassis is, which is a three-piece chassis. It has a front, middle, and rear section. The front and the rear are actually, they've changed a lot. I would say actually the front has changed a lot. So compared to the new one, this one is an older version. It has a more rounded, this is the N01 unit. So this is the heavier version of the MS chassis, and also the center chassis is also the heavier version. This kit is 18613. It went for 900 yen. Inside, well, still on the outside, it shows you optional parts at the time that you could have used, and of course this is a polycarbonate body, so it's clear, and you can paint it white or you can paint it any color you want. So let's go ahead and open this box, and as you can see, this is a clear body. So what's nice about this body is that the wheel arches have been pre-cut. This makes it easier for modelers to cut out the wheels sections. You have your white VS chassis wheels, small diameter. The tires, these are regular tires, so they're very soft. Good grip, but they're very soft. Next you have your motor and 3.5 ratio gears. This is the center chassis. This is the heavier, older version. This is the attachment piece for the polycarbonate body to the chassis. It's actually a very, it's a long piece, so it's good that it's a one piece as opposed to the other optional bodies you can buy that are only have two sections to attach to the body. So it's good that this is more sturdy. And then of course you have the N01 front unit, the T01 rear unit, and then these are the motor casings and battery holders. So what's interesting about this kit is that it's actually, it gives you 3 sticker sets, and that's really nice because you have a lot of options on how you want to decorate the cars. As you can see, these 2 are the main ones, and then this extra number sticker set is totally optional, up to you. Alright, so that's the original TRF-Racer Junior. Just gonna put this back. now let's open up the black special, but before that we're going to take a look at the box. So as you can see, this is a photo of the finished model. Some differences include obviously they went with a different color scheme. The black body, you don't have to paint it black, but this is the black special, so it does look good on black. They've also included low friction rollers, which is good. And then these are super hard tires. Now this is, I think, the first time they've ever made super hard tires with the small diameter wheels. They've come close with the white ones, but those are not super hard, those are just hard. And so all in all, and also this is the NO2 unit, so you can see that the front is different compared to the rounded edge of the NO1 unit. So I would say that this is a good kit for not stock races, but yeah, actually stock races, because the MS chassis is relatively light. It's a double shaft motor, so that's going to give a lot of power to the drivetrain. And then also it's a polycarbonate body, so it's lighter. And then this is hard tires is good, super hard tires. So you can see here what it says, what it confirms: the low friction rollers, the NO2 unit. The middle is still the same. It's still the original heavier centerpiece. And then this is the rear. This is a teal one, so I don't think they've changed that. Now let's see. This retails for 1,200 yen. Item 95550. The camera can pick that up. And then on the box, it tells you in English as well as Japanese what it comes with. So you can read that later. And this one's made in the Philippines, whereas the original TRF-Racer back then, most of the kits were made in Japan here. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up to see what's inside. A lot of it is pretty much the same. The color scheme is pretty much just different. So you have your body here, pre-cut. Same thing with the pre-cut wheel arches. Now this is a new color scheme. This is light gray or white. This is the light gray units for the chassis. I like that it's all the same color. As you can see, these are, I'm trying to squeeze these tires, these are super hard, so these will be good on the track in today's racing types of tracks that these cars race on now, with the jumps and ramps. Here you see the 3.5:1 gear ratios, the black low friction rollers, your center chassis pieces. Here's the instruction manual, so it says black special. And compared to the the original, this is just the one sticker set, so one sticker sheet. There's no extra sheets that come with it. I think they just consolidated everything into one. Obviously you don't have to use all of it. You can paint it, you can decorate it however you want, because it's a polycarbonate body. But yeah, that is it. That's the unboxing of both TRF-Racer Juniors. I want to say it's been a while since this first one came out. This one came out, I don't remember. I want to say it's 2012, but I'll have to look that up. But I know that this new one, the Black Special, came out just now, 2006, sorry. So I was off by 6 years, right here. So 14 years later, they come out with the Black Special, and you know, I think that's one of the longest waits a car has ever had its black special made. I could be wrong, but there you have it. That's the TRF-Racer Junior original and black special unboxing video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, comment if you have anything to say. And this is magnumcyclonex signing out.